The main thing I enjoy about my job is the people. We always have the best of fun, even on a hard day and a busy day. There's always someone cracking a joke, or always someone laughing, and it just lifts you. And we have quite an open plan office now, so it's nice that we can all communicate, we all have a laugh, but also get the work done.
It's very enjoyable to work on something you like. I always liked designing electronics. Find where you can contribute the most. It doesn't matter how hard it will be that work, but resolving something, taking pride of it, provides great satisfaction.
The thing I enjoy about it most is the freedom I get to work on a lot of things I enjoy working on. Some challenging problems as well that we have to solve.
I think everything. I think within Sensoteq there is nothing that's bad. Like, the people are very good. Every day is different, especially at my job, working with like new technologies all the time.
The aspects I really enjoy of my job here at the minute is supporting the really smart engineers that we have working for us to create new, unique products, things that haven't been seen on the market, so that we're the market leaders.